Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Mars Men Natural Testosterone Support, which claims to boost male vitality, energy, and overall test levels. We tested it consistently, and here's what we found. The formula includes herbs like fenugreek, ashwagandha, and tribulus. After using it, we noticed subtle improvements in energy. Workouts felt stronger, and overall mood felt uplifted. However, results weren't dramatic. It felt more supportive than transformative. The pros are natural ingredients, no harsh side effects, and steady vitality support. The cons are that it doesn't drastically raise testosterone, results vary a lot, and it requires consistency to feel changes. Overall, Mars Men Natural Testosterone Support is not a magic testosterone booster, but as a natural vitality supplement, it works fairly well with lifestyle adjustments. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam free.